Fire escape engineers inspector summary video. We're here in Seattle. We're looking at this fire escape, and we have a few things that are wrong with it that we're going to discuss at length. A couple things that are, first of all, and most important, is we're dealing with a fire escape that has, and it does need a full paint job. So let's start there. Fire escape is older than 1978, so it's presumed to have lead. So anybody touching this fire escape must have renovator's license in order to touch lead and properly collect all the chips, make sure that there's no contamination. So it must follow all EPA rules and guidelines in scraping and painting a fire escape. That's the first thing. All right, let's go to the second half. The authority having jurisdiction shall accept by load test or other evidence of strength. That is the NFPA code. The fire code states that depending on the structural condition, a load test may be ordered. This fire escape definitely needs and has structural problems, as you can see, just with that issues that we have here. And number three is the International Building Code states that a fire escape must be examined, which what we're doing right now, can be load tested, or it can be certified. Certified is going to mean full refurbishment of the entire fire escape system will avoid the need for a load test as per the International Building Code. So this is a confidence test. Fire escape does not pass the confidence test, and therefore it cannot either proceed to a load test, cannot proceed to certification, in that we have nothing but original hardware. So we have original hardware, and we have welded connections, and we have rivets, and we have evidence of rust. So let me show you all the various points. First of all, whenever we get into an area that we have bolts and rivets, every one of these that is a major structural, and this is a corner, these corners are considered major structural, rebolt 100%. There's a whole bunch of buildup of rust that you can see already on this one and on the fire escape below. I put my finger underneath here on this platform, which is a frame. All original hardware on the frame, 100% must be rebolted. Full scraping of the fire escape, as mentioned before. You can see all original square head bolts everywhere. So all this must be cleaned, and it's already popped, and it's already popped there, and this angle here is already eaten and weakened, so we might have to sister that or replace that. Original hardware and rust in the connection. Original hardware and rust, and you can actually see if I move it. Okay, so this is what happens, and as you can see, the head is there or the nut of the bolt, and yet on the outside the nut is there also. Yeah, but it's broken. Okay, original tiebacks into the building. Original hardware. Okay, look at all the rust inside there. Look at all the rust. Look at all the rust inside this connection. These are the things that once they fail, they basically either hurt a tenant or hurt a fireman, and it's a 30-foot drop easily down. The ladder over, I can't use this because the fire escape is in a state where it has nothing but original hardware, 50 to 75-year-old hardware. I cannot confirm the loop over for the ladder. Okay, so what I'm saying on this platform is the exact problem that we have on the fire escape down below. Same exact issue. Okay, so all the original hardware must be swapped out. This fire escape is a candidate for not a spot repair, but a full refurbishment to avoid the load test. All my connections into the wall, down below and over here also. It's got a plate. You can see the thru-bolt there. And on the inside, what we have to do, if this window is open, this might have to go down one. But these right here, we're able to open up the hallway sheetrock on the inside and verify that connection. That one and the one below. This is a hallway of the building. So with that being said, we've got rust in every single connection. Fire escape has failed its confidence test, needs 100% refurbishment in lieu of a load test, And this one is not a candidate for a load test, in that once you've fully refurbished this fire escape, there is no need for a load test. And as long as the verification into the wall is verified with a plate on the back side, we're good. Any questions, fire escape engineers? This is Inspector Meneses here. 866-649-0333. 866-649-0333.